Alright, here's my 2003 50 horse Mercury outboard. It's on my pontoon boat, but it doesn't have a trim gauge or trim sending unit on it, so it made it kind of hard to judge where the lower unit was in the water. So I came up with this idea. I mounted a small rear view camera there so I could see the lower unit, and of course that runs to the monitor up on the dash. Okay, so I'll show you. Here's up at the dash where you can see the monitor there, and I'll try and get in here and get a picture of what it's actually showing. So now I can see the motor, and I can trim it up. And I can see it trimming down. So that's that. It was easier and cheaper than trying to install and set up a trim gauge system for it and a trim sender unit.